You will never know the true benefits of a robot vacuum until you try one of the premium models. The essence of these cleaners has remained the same, but the improvements in recent years have taken them to a whole new level. The best robot vacuums these days have exceptional self-cleaning capabilities in addition to top-tier vacuuming and mopping, not to mention the latest AI integration and navigation that they are starting to deliver what they promised years ago. And that would be full-on house cleaning with the click of a button. We did the heavy lifting and now bring you the absolute best models on the current market. Just make sure to use our links because they will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's go now. Number 6. Shark AV2800ZE. Best obstacle avoidance. We want to get the show on the road with this recent addition to the Shark robot vacuum line. The navigation it offers is just exceptional. First up is the in-house Never Stuck technology. This tech allows the robot to lift itself over obstacles and reach the tightest of spots with ease. And yes, it will also lift the built-in mop along the way to avoid wet messes on your carpets. Moving on, let's cover the dirt detect and stain detect functions. Now, these tools were added to identify areas that have more dirt or stains. Once the dirt is detected, the robot will automatically boost its cleaning power where it's needed the most. So when in action, this model knows to take extra passes over a spill you made in the kitchen. Very convenient. Back to navigation, there's a feature to mention here called the Edge Detect. This tech will blast air to push any debris around those tricky edges straight into the path of the vacuum. Also included in the mix is an advanced 3D sensor and 360-degree mapping technology that together craft a detailed map of your home for easy long-term operation. Shark has included 5 power detect cleaning technologies with this vacuum, so it can optimize the cleaning process for all floor types. You can even set a custom schedule or target a specific area of your home using the app. Thumbs up! Number 5. Narwal Frio X Ultra. Exceptional self-maintenance. Self-maintenance is a big deal when it comes to robot vacuums these days, and the recent Frio X Ultra model from Narwal delivers the most on this front. The device comes with a maintenance-free docking station, meaning you won't have to refill the mop pads or wash them ever again. And yes, the cleaner also cleans itself. Now, many vacuums on the market will just noisily dump dirt into their base stations. Not this one. Narwal has included a little something called self-contained dust processing in the mix. This tech will compress the dirt for up to 7 weeks of carefree cleaning. A disposable dust bag is included in the mix, of course. Focusing on the suction power, the Frio X Ultra offers 8,200 pascals, which puts it ahead of most competitors, but not as powerful as some of the models we're about to discuss. The zero tangling brush is also pretty cool because it makes sure that any hair this vacuum picks up goes straight into the bag. For easy navigation, Narwal added the tri-laser obstacle avoidance, so you won't have to worry about this thing bumping into stuff in its path. Overall, this is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Good stuff. Number 4. Eufy X10 Pro Omni. Fantastic value for money. Okay, this next model comes from Eufy, and boy does it deliver a top bang for your buck. It's called the X10 Pro Omni, and it was recently released with an all-in-one station. Right out of the gate, a full-on station like this is not something you'll often find in the listed price range. This little dynamo allows you not to empty the dustbin for up to 2 months because it has a large 2.5-liter dust bag. The mop pads on this model are not just used once and forgotten. No, they're washed with clean water and dried with warm air, all automatically to keep them fresh and ready for action. The device delivers an 8,000 pascal suction, which is again above the price range. That's more than enough power to suck up hidden debris or your pet's hair in just a single pass. We should also highlight the MopMaster 2.0 technology. It sounds complicated, but it's just a feature that lifts the mop when it senses a carpet in its way. The device is still very gentle on hardwood floors despite leaving no dirt behind. A cool new addition to the series is the AI C-Smart cleaning system. This is a bit like a new brain for this vacuum. It's capable of recognizing over 100 objects, things like stray shoes, charging cords, you name it. And yes, even in the dark. When we add to this the auto-detangling roller brush that will automatically clear hair from the brush, you're getting yourself a truly low-maintenance robot vacuum at a truly good value price tag. Nice one. Number 3. Dreame X40 Ultra. Top pick for pet hair. We're moving into more of a premium tier with Dreame X40 Ultra, a dream of all you pet owners out there. First of all, the 12,000 pascals of suction power is more than any robot cleaner on this list delivers. It can truly tackle anything, even if you have several dogs or cats at your place. The removable and liftable mop is also fantastic. It can lift the whole device 10.5 millimeters off the ground and keep your carpets dry when mopping. You can even set no-go zones for rugs or anything else to avoid any mishaps. And yes, this is a feature that many standard models lack. The X40 Ultra uses 3D structured light to navigate your home. It has a built-in camera along with an LED light to map out spaces with 100% accuracy. The device can dodge obstacles and still keep cleaning. We especially like how efficiently it performs under furniture, where pet hair likes to gather a lot. You control the X40 Ultra all from an app that's available to all Dreame users. You can use the software to customize modes and set special pet zones too. We have to mention the side reach feature as well. It's made for those tricky spots that your pets love. You know, wall corners, the little bits around your furniture legs, stuff like that. Well, this extendable side brush will dive right into those spots and make sure no pet hair clings around. The Omni dirt detection is also cool because it can identify stubborn messes. Once identified, the vacuum will activate the Mop Extend Robo Swing to scrub deeply. Overall, the Dreame X40 Ultra doesn't just glide over dirt around your place, it tackles it head on. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. Fantastic built-in mop. The iRobot Roomba line is a series we simply must mention, and the latest Combo 10 Max edition takes the crown today if you're after a vacuum and mop mix. Right out of the gate, we're impressed by the Smart Scrub feature. It's a simple piece of tech that lets the vacuum mimic the back-and-forth scrubbing motion you would do yourself when cleaning manually. The point is that consistent pressure delivers better results. The device is 100% capable of cleaning itself. After a cleaning session, the Roomba will head back to its auto-wash dock, empty its bin, and then wash and dry the mop pad. Impressive and time-saving. The Combo 10 Max has a built-in 4-stage cleaning system. This tech is engineered to handle pet hair too, because it has the dual rubber brushes. It can also tackle corners with the edge sweeping brush. If that wasn't enough, the Precision Vision navigation allows your Roomba to learn and adapt to all the details of your home. When we draw the bottom line, Roomba stays at the top of its game with this model. It's convenient and efficient, very durable too, and we can't ask for more. Number 1. Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. Best overall. Finally, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is the winner for today. The best robot vacuum overall, the king of this domain. This powerhouse comes with an all-in-one Rock Dock Ultra. It does everything. It keeps the mop washed with hot water and detergent and does so for a very long time. Roborock included a massive 580 milliliter detergent tank that can last for over 3 months. And the hot air drying feature is amazing too, securing that no musty odors are present. When navigating through dirt and grime, the S8 MaxV Ultra uses its intelligent dirt detection. This tech determines when your floors need an extra scrub and when just a basic vacuum does the job. This way, even the messiest areas are spotless, and those less dirty areas don't get the extra scrub if they don't need it. And for the pesky corners around your place, Roborock has the FlexiArm design side brush. This thing will simply extend to deal with that dirt hiding under your furniture. You're not left with missed spots because the extra edge mopping system gets closer to edges than most competitors. We also have to mention the VibraRise 3.0 mopping system because of how impressive it is. It will lift the mop while it vacuums the carpets. The device delivers 10,000 pascal suction paired with the Duo Roller Riser brush for maximum efficiency. Overall, this model is as premium as it gets, and the value for money you get is still exceptional. You wanted the best, you got it. That's all for today, everyone. Before we part ways, tell us in the comments, are you a pet owner looking for a robot vacuum? Like and subscribe if this guide was helpful, and have a nice day.